So, may bago kaming rescue cat. Nakita ni Oreo dito sa gate. Siya, yung isang gabi. Oreo was anxious. I was curious what it was. So, I checked it out. Tapos nakita ko parang may discussion sila ng isang kuting. So, pinulot ko kaagad at tinanong ko sa mga kapitbahay kung may-ari ba nung kuting na yun. And then, they all said, wala. So, I brought it inside. Tapos nakita ni James, nakyutan siya agad. Sabi niya, oh, so cute. So, instantly, we decided to keep the kitty. At saka, inhuman naman, diba, kung papabayaan lang namin sa lansangan. So, officially, we have our second rescue cat here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. So, that was Thursday night. So, the following day, kinwarantine muna namin siya sa taas ng bahay dito sa home church. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Punta ng clinic. Tapos, today, it's Saturday, November 22, 2025. Dinala namin siya sa clinic. Tapos, chinek naman ni Doc. Okay naman. Dinaworm siya. And then, nilagyan ng eye cream, which is twice a day for about 5 to 7 days.
Okay. So you need to put on your finger and put inside. Because the cream is not a drop. It's, yeah. And you just massage, it will be good. So
Rescue cat siya. Discounted ang consultation fee, which is $10 dapat. So, ang binayaran namin ay deworming $5. And then, yung eye cream, which is $4. So, bali $9. Tapos, kanina medyo na ligaw lang kami sa address. Kasi bagong clinic to. Iba sa clinic ni Sky. So, itong bagong clinic, which is the PPAWS, Phnom Penh Animal Welfare Society. So, but still in the same area sa Chamkarmon. Okay naman, maganda yung nila facility. May mga rescue dog sa labas. Tapos may isang rescue cat kaso wala siya nawala. Kukunan ko sana ng photo. Wala siyang paa. So, ayun, okay naman dun sa PPAWS. Maayos naman ang kanilang service doon. Babalik kami in a few months siguro or next month, ewan ko sa deworming or siguro in a few months for the neutering ni Bonnie. Yun ang pinangalan namin sa bagong cat. Kasi sabi ni James, daw yun, si Anne Bonnie yung itong new kitten, yung itsura niya, yung mata niya, mukha talagang pirate. So instantly when we saw him, akala namin babae, kaya Bonnie. Pero, it turns out, lalaki pala. Pero, napangalanan na namin, so okay lang. So, si Bonnie, instantly, nung nakita namin siya, mukha talaga siyang pirate kasi yung patch niya sa mata. The way, pinangalanan siya ni James ng Bonnie. So, yun. Bonnie. So, yun. Masaya naman. Maingay siya ngayon kasi syempre, namamahay. But, like Sky, Bonnie will be okay. Yay!